Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need to start by confirming device compatibility because Xbox Series X does not natively support Bluetooth audio. It uses Xbox Wireless. If your headset has Xbox Wireless, pair directly. If not, choose a Bluetooth transmitter, USB for the console, or a 3.5mm/USB plug-in for the controller. Once done, power the transmitter and keep the headset nearby in pairing mode. Make sure your controller batteries are charged and your Xbox account is signed in so you can access audio. Now install the transmitter and run pairing on both devices. If using a USB dongle, insert it into a rear or front USB port. If using a 3.5mm unit, connect it to the controller jack and power it. Put your headset into pairing mode, then trigger the transmitter's pairing function. They should find each other within seconds. Once paired, press the Xbox button, go to Profile and System, then Settings, General, Volume, and Audio Output, and choose the correct output device so audio routes through the adapter to your headset. Finish by confirming audio and mic behavior. Adjust chat versus game balance and test voice chat in a party. If you don't hear sound, make sure the transmitter has power, the headset is still paired, and the Xbox output is set to the transmitter. Once done, try reconnecting or restarting the console and repairing. If problems persist, use a wired connection or an Xbox wireless headset and make sure your console and controller firmware are updated. These steps resolve most compatibility or stability issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.